your brother? June? Okay, wow, what a nice name. So, now Misa, let's ask. So, teacher will say, does it have short legs? What will you say? Does the dinosaur it? No, it doesn't. Yes, again. Lisa, do the dinosaur have short legs? What will you say? It doesn't. Can you say it again? No, it doesn't. Yes, that's right. Very good. So now let's hear new drama. Does it have a small head? What will you say? Yes. Yes, it does. Can you read it again? Yes, it does. Does it have a big head? What will you say? Yes. Okay, let's repeat again. Lisa, does it have a small head? Yes, it does. Okay, very good. Lisa, does it have a big head? Yes, very good. So now, this is the structure of asking and answering questions about the body parts of a male. Does he have short hair? What will you say, Lisa? Does he have short hair? Okay, let's repeat again one more time. Does he have short hair? Does he have short hair? Okay, very good. Good job. And now, here is this other structure about asking and answering the question about the body parts of a female. Does he have long hair? Lisa. High five. High five. High five. Very good. So now, Lisa, let's play a game. Can you start the bottom? Can you start? Now, does he have a short hair? What will you say? Can you say it? Yes, she does. Okay, next. Click, click. Ah, does she have a brown hair? Okay, what is the color of her hair? Yellow. Okay, next. Does the what animal is this? Does the animal have big ears? Okay, start. Ah, does the policeman have big nose? He Yes, he does. He has a big nose. Start. Ah, does the dog have small ears? Oh, is the dog has small ears? No, see? The dog doesn't. I said, does the dog have long ears? Yes. Oh, picture is wrong. Okay. Yes. Has long ears. That's does the girl have short hair? Okay, very good, Lisa. So now, let's read it first. Look at the 4 pictures here, Mesa. Do you know which one is my dog? Do you know which one is my dog? The dog has big ears, small eyes, big nose, and long legs. Where is my dog? It has a do you have a dog? What is the name of the dog that is short legs? Do you like dogs? Do you have big dogs at home? Big dogs. Only small dogs? Cats. Do you have cats? Your dog. What is the color of your dog? White. Black. Is your dog have fluffy hair? It has a big hair like this, fluffy hair. Does your dog has fluffy hair? It has many hair that is fluffy. The hair of the dog.